I've been asked how I vacuum, so here is a Tyler sandwich cooler. Old baby. She made 89. Our 22 system. Had a leak down over here. That's where I set my micron up. My liquid, my suction going up to my testos. Both valves are open. Coming down to the vacuum pump. I do not normally like using a long hose, using long cords, and here I find myself halfway across the store. Is what it is though. So see, we're down under 1,000. Valve off. Check the DK. Typical DK test, like 5 minutes, so I'm not going to make a long video like that for you, but this is how I run through the hoses when I have a small system. You got a 5-ton unit, it may take a little while to suck it down through the hoses. This is a 8-ounce refrigerant weight, so it didn't take too long. I'm on like 7 minutes, barely under 1,000 and holding. So we'll shut this bad boy off. And we're gonna take 147A or 427A. I don't know what I'm saying. 427A to replace the R22 that was in here, and fire it up and should be good to go. So, just showing you another way you can vacuum.